Coding Python in Visual Studio involves setting up the environment, writing your Python code, and running or debugging it. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Visual Studio. Download and install Visual Studio from the official website. Ensure you select the Python development workload during the installation process. Create a new project. Open Visual Studio and select Create a new project. Choose Python application from the list of templates and click Next. Configure your project by providing a name and location, then click Create. Set up the environment. Visual Studio will automatically set up a Python environment for you. If needed, you can configure a specific Python interpreter by navigating to Tools, Options, Python Environments. Write Python code. Once your project is set up, you will see a main.py file in the Solution Explorer. Open this file and start writing your Python code. You can add more Python files or modules as needed by right-clicking the project in Solution Explorer and selecting Add New Item. Run your code. To run your Python code, press F5 or go to Debug, start debugging. Visual Studio will execute the code and display output in the Output or Debug console. For simple execution without debugging, you can press Ctrl plus F5 or go to Debug, start without debugging. Debugging. Set breakpoints by clicking in the margin next to the code lines. Use F10, F11 and Shift plus F11 to navigate through the code during debugging.